Hi, I'm Chef Ben with Expert Village.
All right, welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing our crock pot series with stuffed peppers. First, you go ahead and you start out with about 1 to 2 diced or chopped tomatoes, 1 small onion chopped, about half a cup of rice, about half a can of corn, and you're going to put a little salt and pepper just to taste. Once again, I recommend kosher salt and fine black pepper. All right, we're going to take these, we're going to mix them up real nice. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and add these into our peppers that have already been seeded and cored. All right, there's 1. And 2. All right, once you have your peppers stuffed and you got them in your crock pot, you're going to want to take about 6 to 8 ounces of your favorite wine and then mix it with about a half a can of tomato sauce and a half a cup of water. You're going to dump that right into the peppers and then excess all around it. Okay, and you're going to take your tops from the peppers, stick them right on top. Go ahead and put your cover on, set on low, let cook to 6 to 7 hours or at least until the rice is cooked and you've got stuffed peppers.